Harry S. Geller, Executive Director, Pennsylvania Utility Law Project. Harry Geller was nominated for the Excellence Award by Larry Norton, Esquire, Director, Community Justice Project, Peter Zerfli, Esquire, Attorney, Community Justice Project, and Phil Bertacci, Esquire, Staff Attorney, Community Legal Services. For nearly 35 years, Harry Geller's sunny disposition, supportive and thoughtful demeanor, and respectful advocacy have been mainstays of legal services in Pennsylvania, most recently at the highly specialized Pennsylvania Utility Law Project, and before that as Executive Director of Legal Services, Inc. and Managing Attorney in Chambersburg. Harry has lifted spirits throughout our community. When so often we identify people as being mean-spirited, it is nice to know someone who is truly good-spirited. Harry began his law career as the managing attorney in the Chambersburg Legal Aid Office in 1973. There, he put together one of the most highly motivated and skilled legal services offices in the state. Because of his ability to motivate and support legal workers, Harry went on to become Executive Director of Legal Services, Inc., one of the forerunners of Mid-Penn Legal Services. Harry currently serves as Director of the Pennsylvania Utility Law Project. A highly motivated advocate for the poor, Harry had been the statewide project for nearly 15 years, conducting hundreds of training sessions around Pennsylvania that greatly helped advocates with individual utility cases. Pennsylvania has some of the strongest programs in the nation for low-income utility consumers, and Harry's colleagues credit him as being one of the reasons why. Harry has served for many years as the chair of DPW's Advisory Committee on Energy Assistance for the Poor. He is revered for his skill in facilitating discussion and problem-solving among parties with very divergent interests, low-income consumers, Department of Public Welfare officials, and representatives of utility companies. Harry has also significantly impacted PUC policy. Some of Harry's other accomplishments include appointment to the Consumer Advisory Council by the PUC, expert witness testimony in utility rate and merger cases, service on the Universal Services Task Force of the Office of Consumer Advocate, and statewide spokesperson and go-to person for low-income utility consumers when legislation related to utilities is introduced. At every step in his long legal aid career, Harry has stood for excellence. He has universally supported everyone around him, clients, staff, and colleagues. For this, Harry Geller is a most deserving recipient of the 2007 Pennsylvania Legal Aid Network Excellence Award.